So, in this section, we are going to see another important national programs known as ICDS, Integrated Child Development Services. This is a symbol of ICDS. ICDS scheme represents one of the world's largest and most unique program for early childhood development. ICDS is the foremost symbol of India's commitment to her children. The main beneficiaries of this program were aimed to be the girl child up to her adolescence, all children below 6 years of age, pregnant and lactating women. So, ICDS scheme the world's का बहुत लार्जेस्ट और यूनिक प्रोग्राम है फॉर चाइल्डहुड डेवलपमेंट के लिए. तो इसका मेन बेनिफिशरीज कौन कौन होता है? Girl child up to adolescence, all children below 6 years of both boys and girls, and pregnant and lactating women. The purpose of initiation of this program: routine MCH service not reaching the target population, nutritional component not covered by health services, and need for community participation. So ये किसके लिए ऐसे दिस प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट हुआ था? जब MCH सर्विसेज इम्प्लीमेंट किया है तब वो सभी टारगेट पॉपुलेशन में रीच नहीं हो रहा था. इसके साथ न्यूट्रिशनल कंपोनेंट और न्यूट्रिशन का जो स्पॉन्सरशिप है वो भी सबको कवर नहीं हो रहा था, इसलिए एक सीरियस प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट किया है. Objectives include to improve the nutrition status of preschool children 0 to 6 years of age, to lay the foundation of proper psychological development of the child, to reduce the incidence of mortality, morbidity, malnutrition, and school dropout, to achieve effective coordination of policy and implementation in various departments to promote child development, to enhance the capability of the mother to look after the normal health and nutritional need of the child through proper nutrition and health education. So इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव्स कहते हैं जो प्री स्कूल चिल्ड्रन है उसका न्यूट्रिशन स्टेटस इम्प्रूव करना है, साइकोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट इम्प्रूव करना है, मोर्टालिटी, मॉर्बिडिटी और माल न्यूट्रिशन एंड स्कूल ड्रॉप आउट का इंसिडेंस रिड्यूस करना है. देन वेरियस डिपार्टमेंट का जो प्रोग्राम्स हैं वो सब एक ही साथ इम्प्लीमेंट करना है, उसके साथ मदर का कैपेबिलिटी इम्प्रूव करना है. द पैकेज ऑफ सर्विसेज इंक्लूड्स द बेनिफिशरीज आर फॉर प्रेग्नेंट वुमन health checkup, immunization, supplementary nutrition, health and nutrition education. For nursing mothers, health checkup, supplementary nutrition, health and nutrition education. Other women, that is from in reproductive age, that is 15 to 45 years, nutrition and health education. Children less than 3 years, health checkup, immunization, supplementary nutrition and referral services. Children in the age of 3 to 6 years, health checkup, immunization, supplementary nutrition, referral services and non-formal education. And adolescent girls of 11 to 18 years, supplementary nutrition and health education. We will see the variety of components of ICDS. ICDS में कितना components आता है? There are mainly 6 components. First one is health checkup, second one is immunization, third one is growth promotion and supplementary feeding, referral services, early childhood care and preschool education, nutrition and health education. These are the 6 components of ICDS. We will see one by one. Supplementary nutrition. Supplementary nutrition is given to children below 6 years and nursing and expectant mothers from low income group. The aim is to supplement nutritional intake as follows: each child up to 6 years of age to get 300 calories and 8 to 10 grams of protein. Each adolescent girl to get 500 calories and 20 to 25 grams of protein. Each pregnant woman and lactating mother to get 500 calories and 20 to 25 grams of protein. And each malnourished child to get 600 calories and 16 to 20 grams of protein. Coming to immunization. Immunization of children against 6 vaccine preventable diseases is being done, while for expectant mothers, immunization against tetanus is recommended. Coming to the health checkup. Record of weight and height of children at periodical event intervals watch over milestones, immunization, deworming, general checkup for detection of disease, treatment of diseases like diarrhea and ARI, prophylaxis against vitamin A deficiency and anemia, referral of serious cases, antenatal care of expectant mothers, postnatal care of nursing mothers and care of newborn infants. Coming to non-formal preschool education, children between the ages of 3 to 6 years are imparted non-formal preschool education in an Anganwadi in each village with about 1,000 population. The objective is to provide opportunities to develop desirable attitude, values and behavior pattern among children. Locally produced inexpensive toys and materials are used in organizing play and creative activities. So 3 to 6 years में जो बच्चा है उसको प्री स्कूल एजुकेशन देना है थ्रू आंगनवाड़ी. For 1,000 population, one Anganwadi should be there. Coming to the referral services, during health checkups and growth monitoring, sick children and malnourished children in need of prompt medical attention are referred to PHC or sub-centers. So with this, I am ending up with the section. The continuation of ICDS will seen in the another section. Thank you.